Nice and lovely. So as I can see exactly what's going on right here. What did I just drain off the liquid? Yeah, just take a little bit of the liquid off of it. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to share it out now. It's because it's finished and it is fantastic. Nice and lovely, as you can see exactly what is taking place right here. Chicken chow mein from Ricardo today. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe, leave your comments below. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. Got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe. All the thing I did is drain off some of the liquid. It was too much liquid. Cause you know the pop chow spring a lot of liquid. You know the veg, and the veg is good for you. The more veg you eat, is the better for you. Alright? Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe. Anyway, today's recipe, it is chicken chow mein. Very fantastic recipe, and as I say, I want to encourage my fans and my friends them to eat a lot more vegetable, which is good for you. As you can see, I did the video talking about more vegetable, more fruits. That's what we need to eat every day. Well, with myself, I do eat a lot of vegetable, but I know I'm not eating enough vegetable and fruits, and it goes for me also. So if you doesn't know you're not eating enough vegetable and enough fruits, you need to get a grip and a hold of it, guys. So thank you so much for watching the show, and you know, I mean, keep tuning to Chef Ricardo. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming out for the fans and for you. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team, and as I said, 500 likes, 500 comments. Nice and lovely. Welcome back again in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's fantastic. Anyway, today we want to make you some nice, lovely chicken chow mein. Very fantastic recipe, and I know you guys will love this one. Alright? So first thing what I'm going to do, to be honest guys, I want to say, at the moment, I'm cooking off some spaghetti. This is some chicken which I have inside of my bowl right here. Roughly a handful of diced chicken which I'm going to be using. It's not going to be a lot of chicken. It's just going to be a little bit of chicken. Just to make you guys know exactly what's going on right here. So I'm going to pop a little bit of fresh thyme inside of the chicken right there. If you notice nowadays, Chef Ricardo doesn't use this whole heap of season like I used to be used before. This whole heap of fake season. I'm trying to really be careful of what kind of season I've been using. Alright? Nice. So that's the garlic on the chicken. So fresh thyme and some fresh garlic on the chicken so far. I just want to make you guys understand exactly what me and all about now when I'm cooking my kind of dishes and nowadays. If you notice, guys, you can see a big difference in my cooking. I don't know if you recognize it, but as I can see, I'm not using those whole artificial season I used to use before. So I got some fresh thyme, fresh garlic, and some spring onion. Nice one. Spring onion. And I'm gonna be using just a little piece of white onion. That's the white onion. Very easy and simple recipe, guys. Honestly, nothing too complicated. A little bit of chicken season. That's it. And then we're gonna put on a little bit of cracked pepper. Some cracked pepper. Right here, I'm just gonna put on a little pinch of soy sauce, not too much. Little bit of olive oil. If you notice how Chef Ricardo been cooking now, not like before. So give it a little stir. Nice one. So that's the chicken which I just cut up. So I'm gonna put this one side. So that's the chicken we just cut up now. Then what we're going to do, put the pak chow right there. As I noticed, that's the pak chow right there, guys. As I can see exactly what's going on in the kitchen. So that's the pak chow. Alright, so first thing what we're going to do is get the pak chow, put it one side. Let's drain off the water. I'll just wash off my pak chow. And I'm going to cut up the pak chow. That's the pak chow. As you can see, that looking lovely and nice. Nice one. That's the pak chow. And some spring onion. That's the spring onion. Then we're gonna put some white onion. That's the white onion. That's looking lovely and nice so far. Chicken chow mein, amazing recipe. And I know you guys will love this one. Nice and lovely. One medium-sized carrot. Nice one. So as you can see exactly, now we're gonna put a piece of pepper. This is the 3 pieces of pepper which I'm going to be using. Piece of tomato. Nice and lovely. Some fresh thyme, not too much. fresh garlic. Let's finally cut it up. Nice and lovely. So let's give it a lovely little mix up like this. Nice one. That's looking lovely and nice so far. A little bit of salt. Some pepper. Give it a stir up. Nice one. Now we're going to cook off the chicken and also the pot chow and have the spaghetti. It's gonna be fantastic. So enjoy the recipe, guys, as it goes along. Nice and lovely. So basically what we're going to do now, pop a little bit of olive oil in the front pan. Then pop some chicken. It's looking lovely and nice. Cover it and leave that for fry for about 10 minutes. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, now we're going to put in the pork chow. Honestly, guys, this will be a fantastic recipe, honestly. Alright, so what we're going to do now is cover it and allow that for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then we will continue to stir it in between. Alright, enjoy it. Nice one. Give it a little stir. Chicken chow mein, mad recipe, guys. Honestly, you will love this one. Alright, so what we're going to do now is put a little bit of oregano. This is some dry herbs. Some dry basil. And some parsley. Nice one. Some salt. A little bit of soy sauce. A little bit of sweet chili sauce. Give it a stir. Cover Allow that to cook for another good 5 to 7 more minutes. Nice one. So basically, as you can see exactly nice one. Nice and lovely. As you can see exactly what is taking place right here, guys. It's just fantastic. Lovely, tasty, nice and delicious. A little bit of pepper. Nice one. Look at this. Nice and lovely. So as you can see exactly what's going on right here. What did I just drain off the liquid? Yeah, just take a little bit of the liquid off of it. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to share it out now. It's because it's finished and it is fantastic. Nice and lovely. As you can see exactly what is taking place right here. Chicken chow mein from Ricardo today. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe, leave your comments below. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. Got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe. All the thing I did is drain off some of the liquid. It was too much liquid. Cause you know the pop chow spring a lot of liquid. You know the veg, and the veg is good for you. The more veg you eat, is the better for you. Alright? Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. So now we're going to do the sheer out. Really nice. Chicken chow mein. Really lovely and nice. So as you can see exactly what is taking place right there. That looking lovely and nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe, leave your comments below. As you can see, chicken chow mein really fantastic and, you know, full of love for flavor and taste, and hopefully we can come with better in the future. My name is Chef Ricardo and represent. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming your way. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere from Chef Ricardo Cooking Show today. See you next time. Bye bye.